myself a daily vlog. Now I'm in Siraj. Tapos, look at how di sekitar Siraj ini ada market yang di Amazon. Kopi dulu apa makan dulu ya? Ada market yang rame banget dan banyak jajanan, ya market jajanan pasarnya gitu. Namanya Wang Lang Market. Okay. Let's go to the Wang Lang Market. Ini fish. Marketnya jadi lebih rapi loh. Tadinya jalannya nggak kayak gini. Tadinya jalannya, dia jadi lebih rapi. Long time no see. Ini kayak Amazon nih, kayak Indomaret, Alfamart nih. Dimana-mana ada.
Say it to your face, but I just can't no more. Cause you move so far away, just like a few blocks. Pick your fence and perfect girl, leaving a ring on your door. You see me coming from a mile away. I got something that I'm dying to say. Yeah, I'm doing pretty great, just thought you should know. Yeah, no thanks to you though. I just called to say I hate you. I just called to say that I moved on. I just called to say this the last you'll be hearing from me. Cause now your mailbox full, I can't call you no more. Played the lotto and lost it. Got options like my closet. When I'm off it, I don't double back. Might wear it once, then I'm done with it. I'm the full package, thick and tatted. All your baggage better have Delta tag. How you bad to bad is treated like a savage. I could do you nasty, but I'm moving past these pretty thighs, pretty brown eyes don't belong to you no more. I just called to tell you that I'm cool without you and I'm doing fine on my own. By the time you get this voicemail, you'll be blocked, so don't bother. One thing about me, I'ma drop them quicker than bad service. Next caller, boy, I'm cool. Still got a second or two. Might get caught off like the last one, just in case it didn't go through. I just called to say I hate you. I just called to say that I moved on. I just called to say this the last you'll be hearing from me. Cause now your mailbox full, I can't call you no more. Yeah, cause your mailbox full, I can't call you. So I couldn't if I wanted to. Yeah, your mailbox full, I can't call you no more. Now I'm getting really brave. I had a few shots. I would say it to your face, but I just can't no more. Cause you move so far away, just like a few blocks. Picket fence and perfect girl, even a ring on your door. You'd see me coming from a mile away. I got something that I'm dying to say. I'm doing pretty great, just thought you should know. Yeah, no thanks to you though. I just called to say I hate you. I just called to say that I moved on. Yeah, I just called to say this the last you'll be hearing from me. Cause now your mailbox full, I can't call you no more. You really messed up.
I say a prayer for ya, dodging my calls. I know your source, so I'm gonna text ya. Is it because she's around, you don't wanna hurt her? Honestly, I couldn't really care. So I'm coming from a mile away. I got something that I'm dying to say. Call me back, I might ignore ya. Yeah, just the way that you do. I'm cool, still got a second or two. Might get cut off like the last one, just in case it didn't go through. I just called to say I hate you. I just called to say that I moved on. Oh yeah, I just called to say this the last you'll be hearing from me. 'Cause now your mailbox full, I can't call you no more. Yeah, your mailbox full, I can't call you. So I couldn't if I wanted to. Yeah, your mailbox full, I can't call you no more.
It's getting better. It's getting better. A long story. Ini pasarnya jadi tambah bagus.
No New Year's Day to celebrate. No chocolate covered candy hearts to give away. No first of spring, no song to sing. In fact, it's just another ordinary
Nanti kita
day.
pulang naik ini.
I just called to say I love you. And I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Of my heart.
No April rain, no flowers bloom, no wedding Saturday within the month of June. But what it is, it's something true, made up of these three words that I must say to you. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Of my heart. Of my heart.
I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called
Number one.
to say I love you. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart.
Yes, I mean it from.
Yes, I mean it from
Yes, I mean it from
the bottom